What's up, guys? I've never understood how people are able to film in situations like this, but I'm gonna try my best, even though I'm super freaking pissed right now, because what I was always worried about happened. I'm on my way to work and one of my bags just started leaking, and now I'm sitting here stranded in this neighborhood. My wife already arrived to pick me up and save the day, but I'm too worried about towing the car, because if I have them tow the car, they're gonna drag the whole front and side of the car on the tow truck and rip the whole front lip and side skirts off. So what I'm thinking is, I'm about on a normal drive 5 minutes away from my house, but driving with this maybe 15. I'm just gonna sit here and try and air it up as much as I can, and just drive it home. It's leaking really fast, so it's a pretty bad leak, especially when I start driving. When I tried airing it up and driving so I can line the car here on the side of the street and get it out of people's way, it just like dropped instantly straight back down. But kind of slows down a little bit when it gets like to around 30, and it doesn't leak as fast. So I'm gonna try my best to drive it home, stay hidden through the neighborhoods, and just get it back to the house. I had an event this Saturday for Gearhead Society Cars and Anime or something like that down in LA, and I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it. It's Wednesday, or it's Tuesday today, and I need to get the part fixed and make it out there by Saturday, which is really unlikely to happen. So let's just get the car home. See, it's still dropping down to 20, but let's see if I can actually get it there. Everything is up to 100, which is not even ride height. That's a little bit aired up over ride height, but this one is dropped on the wheel, which is scraping right now. So I'll try my best to get it home. Never mind, I don't think I'm gonna do that because it's still scraping. I'm airing up and driving and it's just falling right back down. I didn't even make it that far, maybe from right here to here. Oh, from there to here. Let me just try driving it without even airing up. It's sitting on my rear fender right now. So what I'm really worried about is, since my tires are so stretched, I'm worried about the fender slowly wearing out the tire and popping the tire. You can kind of hear it. I think we're making some type of progress. Managed to get the car from where we were over there to almost onto the public street now, after about 10 minutes of doing that. So yeah, about 2 miles away from the house, and we've done maybe not even a quarter mile. Probably gonna be home in like an hour. I've decided to give up because it's not working. The compressors are starting to overheat. And I went back there and I freaking burnt my hand. You can see the lines in my hand from the compressor. I burnt myself on that. Managed to make it pretty far from over there to over here, but my house is all the way up here. Can't even see it on the map. So I'm just gonna tow it. I'm gonna try my best because I don't want to end up messing the other side since it's uneven right now. I don't know what the issue is, if it's just a leaking bag or if one of the lines messed up or something. I'm pretty sure it's a leaking bag, because if it was one of the lines messing up, it wouldn't be airing up correctly, but I'm having no issues airing up. It's holding the air that I'm having issues with, because it airs up fine, but it just starts dropping straight back down. So I'm just gonna have it towed, try my best to get it on the tow truck without damaging anything, since the front's able to hold up high. Hopefully it can do it. Another issue is getting it on my driveway. My driveway is kind of steep, so I'm hoping that doesn't scratch anything as well, but I'm just gonna have to wing it, so we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, the tow truck is here, and even he's saying he doesn't even want to tow it for me because he's scared he's gonna mess anything up. But I'm just gonna air up the front. I got it aired up some more, up to 128. I don't want to air up the back left too much because then it sits on the body kit and messes it up. So he's saying the same thing I was saying, just air it up and let's attempt to drive it up as slowly and smoothly as possible without the chains, because with the chains we're going to tear the whole car apart. Like, it's no question, I've seen it to happen to everybody. Fuck, guys, the car is stuck. Whole back right side is just fucking like jammed.
Give it a little bit. You're off the floor a little bit.
Just give it a little bit of gas?
Yeah, give it gas. No, give it gas. Don't go back. All right, you're up.
Fucking bitch.
Right there is cool, dog. Shut it down.
I'm holding on the brake, e-brake's engaged, and fuck, bro. I'm really worried about the diffuser too. Fucking $3 grand. Just gonna go to garbage. The diffuser's not that fucked. Just a little bit.
I can follow you.
But the body kit is completely fucked. Torn out of the car, completely cracked off. Paint cracking off, everything. But everything else is good. Side skirts, all the other shit's good. Diffuser got a little banged up. Body kit's fucked. This car is gonna get fucked even some more once I pull it down. I did my best, but it's gonna get tearing up. The whole body kit is broken now, so there's nothing else I can do. But getting it off the tow truck now is gonna damage it even more, and then trying to drive it up the driveway is gonna do the same damage again. So I might as well just take the whole body kit off once I get home instead of breaking the other half. Try to get it up on the driveway so there's less damage, but it's still going to be damaged. It's still going to get torn apart right now. Here goes nothing. Let's see what I can do. All right, guys. So got this dumb hoe back in the freaking garage. But damage it's pretty bad. I don't see no damage to this side of the body kit because, of course, this side was actually elevated a little bit. Like I showed you guys, I don't want to bend down right there. Diffuser's fucked up and body kit's fucked up. And it's so close to the edge, I don't even know if it's something that's easily repairable. Man, that thing cracked right off, so I don't know. For sure, I'm not making it to the show in LA this Saturday, which is only 4 days away, so that's canceled. There is another one down somewhere in San Bernardino, Irvine area, Winter Wondersland for lowered cars who are not having issues like me. That one is a month away. I hope I can make it to that one. We'll see. I've hit up Air Ride Equipment, who's the people that installed it for me. They said they'll try their best to send me all the parts since everything's under warranty and walk me through fixing it myself, but I've never done anything like this and I don't even know exactly where the problem's coming from. I kind of parked it a little bit too close to the wall right there. I need to take the car apart from that side, take the wheel apart and everything, and see what got punctured and why it's leaking. But for now, I just want to show you guys what's going on with the build, keep you guys updated, because I usually don't film these issues that happen with the cars and I just film the solution. But trying to give you guys some more content and keep you guys updated on every little thing that happens. So for now, that's where we're at. And I'll let you guys know when we get it fixed.